The coolest mom I've ever. Oh!
I'm Lum Grobarov, the cheerful one. My brother Kurz? He's not so cheerful. Take care.
This is my clock. You can see that time is spending its time. So the trick is take out the battery and time will stop. Congratulations, you have saved time.
Oh, puppies! Hi!
See this? This moves 20 miles to the west, and you and everyone you know are dead. All of you. Because you can't survive it. It's not possible unless you're very, very lucky. And your kids die too.
And I tested very positively in another sense. So this morning, yeah, I tested positively toward negative, right? So, no, I tested perfectly this morning.
Now, somebody's tried to tell me that putting a full spoon of cinnamon in your mouth at once is impossible. And I've seen all these younger people than me who's shoving this stuff in their mouth and then, believe me, I've faced worse. I'm told there should be an explosive reaction. There won't be from me. Water! Oh, God, breathe.
I'm speaking to you